Welcome to Japanese Energy Healing, 26 points. I'm Julie Page. Today we are going to start out with a little bit of breathing, and then we'll go into energy point 1. So first I'm going to have you place one hand on your low abdomen or your belly, and we're just going to breathe into the belly, and so you're going to feel your hand move with your belly when you breathe in. So we're going to breathe in and exhale, and you feel your hand fall back down when your breath is exhaling. Good. Now we're going to slow the breath down to a 4 count, and we're going to breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale to a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the exhale. Excellent. So what the breathing does is it tells our central nervous system to relax, to calm down, that we're safe. And so then when our nervous system tells our body, it allows our muscles to relax, and it allows us to release tension. So we're going to start with point number 1. Point number 1 is on the inside of the knee, so right at the bend. And we're going to place our hands, we're going to cross our hands and hold the opposite knees with opposite hands. And then we're just going to go back to the breath. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath out. And I'm going to have you continue on breathing while I'll tell you a little bit about energy point number 1. This point is called the prime mover, and it helps our energy descend out of our head. So it's going to help headaches and head tension. It helps move any stagnant energy in the body. So it is very helpful for detoxing the body. So anytime you have bug bites where the toxin is in there, so mosquito bites or bee sting, this hold is going to help that get out of your body quickly. It will also help for food poisoning or food reactions to food intolerances. This point helps you know yourself in the image of the Creator. So it kind of pulls us out of negative thinking, and it also helps strengthen our self-confidence. I'm going to take another couple of breaths into this position. Excellent. So now we're going to move on to point number 2, which is on the back. It's on the low back. You're going to find your hip bone, and you're going to come just above the hip bone on either side of the low back. And you can hold with your hands like this, or you can turn it like this so that the palms or the backs of the hand are touching the back. So whatever is most comfortable. But you can do this sitting, you can do this laying down, whatever is most comfortable for you. So go ahead and go back to the breathing. Nice deep breaths. And just kind of allow yourself to release any tension with the exhale. This point, because it's on the back, is going to help with any back projects, any back pain. It also helps with any issues in the hips. So it's going to give you more mobility in the hips, release any tension or pain in the hips, and it also is going to help with any leg projects as well. So anything happening in the legs, this point is going to help that out as well. Point number 2 is known as wisdom. So it brings in universal knowing or universal knowledge into our body and mind. And it helps us release counterproductive thinking. Helps us release negative thoughts. This point will also help emotionally release exhaustion, doubt, desperation, feelings of uncertainty. It helps with grief, sadness, and helps you be less competitive. Notice if you start holding your breath again, and go ahead and go back to the nice deep breathing. And just allow the breath in and release the tension out. Great. Go ahead and release that hold. And so you can watch this video over and over, maybe a couple of days in a row, and then move on to the next video that'll help kind of solidify the information and help you remember what each point does before you move on to the next video. Or you can do the videos in sequence, so 1 through 9, and then repeat again, whatever works for you. You can also find the videos, the ones that relate to any issues you're having, and start with that, and then come back to the rest of the videos once that starts to feel more aligned for you. Excellent. I will see you in the next video.